Hi all, glad to join you all back with a new tutorial. My name is Rupak and in this channel I'll be doing drawing tutorials, origami tutorials and anything both interesting and cool. Well, today we'll be folding Hey, what's this? Hey, that's the Golden Snitch that belongs to Harry Potter, right? Well friends, you guessed it right. Today we'll be learning how to fold the Golden Snitch of Harry Potter. And this involves no glue, no sticking. So it's an origami. Are you eager on how to fold this? Well then, let's get started. For this you'll need a square sheet of paper. First, it's folded diagonally. I'm using a 6 into 6 inch square sheet of paper. Depends upon you to use anything that you want. If you use a bigger square sheet of paper, then you will get a bigger golden snitch. That's the difference. Now we can crease it again. So now we have like two diagonal folds like this. Let's turn the paper over. Fold the paper into half. Crease it well. Unfold it and repeat the same fold on the other side like this. Crease it. And then now turn the paper. Just give like a gentle press like this. Sorry. Crease it. Well, this is not the fold with which we are going to continue. So just to strengthen the creases all the four sides. Now we will be unfolding it. And now we can turn it, give a press like this and fold it. So that's it. You need not give any like turns and do this fold. That's simple. So now you can see this flap, right? You can fold it towards this point. So well, I know what's running on your mind. These folds are quite similar to that of the origami ball. So to check that out, click right here. Well, actually it was my first video, the origami ball. So back to this origami. After doing it on all the four sides, you can bring this towards the center like this. Crease it. So more or less, so far it's similar to the origami ball. Repeat the folds on both the sides. Crease it. So yeah, till now we did the same steps as far as concerning the ball, origami ball, and now comes the changes to it. Just unfold it like this. You can see a right angle triangle formed inside a right angle triangle. So you can see this line, right? We'll be folding it like this. Do not crease it, just till this point. And like this. So like it's like this. You can see a line here. Just move that forward and bring this up to form yet another triangle. It's an equilateral triangle. And then gently push this towards the other side like this. So that's the next step that will be repeating to all the four sides. I mean two sides, but four like this. So 1, 2 and on the other side. Let me just turn it. So like this both exactly matches each other. That is congruent. That means that you are on the right track and your folds are sharp. Again like this. And gently to the other side. So on the both sides a step is done, and here comes the most fun part of it. You can gently like pull it outwards and you could see a hole here, right? So you need to blow it here. Well, you can like directly blow it, that's quite easier, or insert a straw inside it and then blow. Anything of your choice. So let's blow it. Ta-da! So I blowed it. Our easy origami golden snitch is ready. Well, but it can't fly until it casts the Harry Potter's magic spells. So friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video. Until then, bye bye.